Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brijesh, and today I'm going to teach you about the apps in Python. You might been seeing that most of the people create lots of apps, and in today's generation you can see White Junior is one of the best coding website is known as. Okay, so I am here to teach you about something about Python. Yes, I'm really sorry that I can't post the later on videos about HTML and CSS. That is about HTML5 and CSS3. So, but now I am going to teach you how to use Kivy to make apps in Python. So let's see a demo how you can start your programming on apps using Kivy. So let's go.
Okay, so in this video I am here to teach you basically about something about Kivy. So what is Kivy? Let's go ahead and show you something about Kivy. Okay, so I am using Visual Studio Code as my IDE. I like it most. If you want anything like PyCharm, yes, I have PyCharm. You can see here. Yes, okay. So I will show you about something about Kivy and how you can make the interface of your app. So let's go. Let me create a new folder. Okay. Okay, so here you can see I am on my tutorials with Kivy folder. So I'm going to create a new file. It's named tutorial1.and. As you know, what's the extension actually? What's the extension? I think you know. The extension of Python is .py. Remember this. Okay, so now I'm here to, if you want to start something with Kivy, means basically you wanted to make some apps, then you have to write three codes. That is obvious. So I am writing that codes. So you just copy from me or try to understand what is being taught here. Okay, import Kivy. This is the first code. And then because we are using Kivy to make our apps, so I am writing here import Kivy. It means we need the Kivy module. You have to install Kivy. Okay, so I will show you how you can install Kivy. Okay, so this is one error, but no problem. I will show you later on how to fix this error will get automatically resolved. Now you can see in this directory I want to install Kivy, so I have to type simply pip install Kivy. So after typing like this, it will install Kivy. You just leave it on this. Then you can see I have requirements already satisfied, but you might not get this. You must see dialog also fully installed Kivy on your PC, just like setup and this all. So now actually, okay. So what I basically want to mention, from Kivy we not need, actually we don't need all the modules from Kivy. Kivy is a single module. Inside Kivy there are thousands of modules. Okay, but we didn't need all the modules from Kivy. So I am going to type some specific modules that we need to create our apps. Okay, so from Kivy import, from Kivy what do we want to import? From Kivy we want to import, okay, so Kivy. So you have to type your kivy.app. We want to import app. Now just save it and you can see there is no error. Okay, so now I'm going to add another module from Kivy. These are all about modules, so don't take tension. I will teach you each and every part a single. I will break up all the parts so that you can easily understand what is this. So from Kivy dot uix dot label, you have to import label. You can see. So you can see if I type here, just like if I type here something like what's it called, okay, if I type something like L is in small letter, then it will become long. So you have to be very specific in this case. In HTML there is no need in writing the case that you need not need to specify more time on the cases. It may be upper or lower, it doesn't make a lot of sense, but here it make. Okay, so you can see. Now I save it, and this is all about modules. So what we are doing basically here is importing Kivy. Kivy is the main module that we need. Next, we required an app module, that we are creating an app, so we need the app module from Kivy. So we are typing kivy.app. okay, now from kivy.uix.label, it's basically a label. Okay, so what's this label mean? Means you are going to create an app, so an app has a name. Just like I can give you an example, like Free Fire. Free Fire is an app, or you can say Python modules. These are all our apps, but these apps have some. These apps have some name. Yes or no? Python module. This is the name. Means this is simply a label. So these are all about modules. Now I am going to teach you about how you can create the interface of your app. Okay, so let's do that.
Okay, so here I am once again to create the next part of our interface. So what's the next part of our interface? It's simply we have created, we have imported all the things from Kivy, the app, the label, and etc. etc. It's basically these two only. So now we are going to create app name, and then define the building of the app, and then return what we need. Okay, so let's make this. So we have to specify a class. Okay, so suppose I'm writing here, I want to make sure that you did not need to type here my only, because app could be of your own. Suppose let me type here Bridge. If I type here Bridge, then this app will come as the name of mine. Okay, so next thing that I do is def, then define what we define. Define build, and what's the build? Define build is that. Okay, simple. Next, what do we need? We need return, and where we're coming. Return, we need something now. Return, and we need label. Now in return label, you can type anything as you wish. I am typing here. Exactly. So this is the second part of our interface. Now we are going to third phase of our interface, and let me show you if there is any kind of errors in up to this point. Okay, so let me run this. So you can see app, there is an error. So what's the error? Can you specify it? So if you can specify it, then comment me in the comment section. Okay, so I have missed a colon here. I have to type this, then you can see there is no any error. You can see there is no any error. It's a single error, it doesn't make a lot of sense. Okay, so now you can see this is exited code 0 in 0.524 seconds. Now I am going to my third part of the lesson, which is the last part in this lesson, in this section, because if I teach you more than these things, then it will all get messed up and you might not be able to learn anything. So next, go to our third part, which is the last part. So let's go. Okay, so here I am at the last point to teach you today's last part of this section of building our app. This is the part 1. Okay, so now I am going to create a loop here. Okay, so if loop, then not name, that's name equal, this is the main loop. Okay, so next I need to specify the name of the app which I have created in my class. Okay, so I have give it the name as Brijesh app, then cease, then run. Okay, so what this commands will basically do, run command will run our program which we have made throughout this part. Okay, and this is def command, that is build. Def means define actually. Then return, it will return it with a label, that is text label, which is tag with Brijesh. You can put here anything as you wish, and you can specify the name of the app as you wish. So let's save it and run our program. So this is the time. Okay, you can see this is tag with Brijesh. Okay, so you can see this is the app which we created throughout this part. Not the app, this is just a small interface of our app. You can see tag with Brijesh as I created, and you can see here this is Brijesh app, which I have given that Brijesh app is the name of my app, and I have put here the label as return label as tag with Brijesh, so it's showing me the exact way. Okay, so I can make it small, large as I wish. Okay, it is going to make it up adjustable with that kind of criteria. Okay, so this is our app basically, and this is all for this section, this part. So I will show you the complete app making process throughout this complete whole lesson. So you have to just wait. If you like my video, then please like it, please give a thumbs up, and then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. And if you want this kind of videos so I post in future, so please comment me in the comment section, and also comment that how is this video. Thanks a lot.